Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Boozoxerex. What is that for a brand name? That's really cool. Again, Boozoxerex. And what is this product? As you can see, it looks like a shark. Yeah, this here is the Boozoxerex Shark Custom. And it's not only a custom, it's an inflatable custom for adults. This shark custom can be inflated, as you can see, by an integrated pump system. That's really cool because this pumps up the shark in the right shape as a real shark look like. And it looks so cool if the shark is running through your garden, as you can see. It is so nice. It's so funny, really cool. This is a carnival custom. It's suited for a carnival, for cosplay, for costume parties, and of course for Christmas time. And I think for spring break is a good thing where you can use such a shark custom. We can shark our lights up. Yeah. Unlike other inflatable costumes on the market, this inflatable shark custom has built-in LED light-emitted diode lights that will make us stand out in the crowd. The lights have 8 modes such as fast flashing, slow flashing, always on, no light of course, and so on. And wafers so you can make bling bling and so on. So we can enjoy 8 different cool experiences in lightning. And we have here a good quality materials. This shark custom is made of high strength waterproof polyester fibers. That's 100% tested and of course is very durable. The shark custom is very comfortable to wear and lightweight. And that's right, because this fan, which can pump up and make a circulation of the air from the outside to the inside, that makes it much comfortable to wear this custom, because others without such an fan system, it will be so hot after a couple of minutes or seconds. Here, a fresh blow of air is going through this custom body in the interior. Really cool. And you can control everything from the inside. You can control the light emit diode, you can control the fan, you can control where you like to go, because there is a window built in where you can look out. Really cool. And it works. And it works really. And we have a quick inflatable design, because the shark custom can be inflated within under 1 minute after putting it on. The inflatable body is oversized and designed for people between 1.5 meter and 1.9 meter. The person in that video here comes with 1.8 meter. Okay, it's not so tall, but it's tall enough to wear such a custom, of course. Yeah, and multiple occasions. This shark custom is suitable for different occasions such as Carnival, Halloween, for the Comic Con, for cosplay events, theme parties, and so on. It is also a perfect carnival gift for us and our family or friends. And it's everything included what we need, except the batteries. The shark custom comes with this shark suit with lights. Then a fan, a battery box, and a data cable. That means we will need 7 batteries, which are not included. These are AA batteries, so standard. if there is a better understanding for a long time use, you should switch from the batteries to a power bank. That's possible because the connection is an USB cable. That's a really cool fact. That means if you're going to have a long party with this Shark Custom, you switch to a power bank or a power bank, and then you can have a lot of more time to have fun with this inflatable custom. Really cool design, really cool look, and easy to slip into it. And if you slipped into it, you can close the custom. After this, you switch on the fan, of course. Then you can wait 20 seconds or something else, and the custom is ready to use. And you're inside. Of course, you can every time you can evacuate out of it so fast, like a glance. And of course, it makes a lot of fun to see this friendly shark is moving around, of course. And this all brings us this joy to us for a party, for a carnival, for a cosplay, and so on, for events where you like to wear that, or maybe on a hot day in the summertime, you can wear this on the beach. Yeah, the girls will look to you with the Boozoo Xerxes Shark Custom. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!